We got a bite, guys. Finally got a bite. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since we've been out here. We are at the California Aqueduct. I'm out here testing out some stuff for PC fun, but more importantly, we're fishing on our birthdays. We're gonna hopefully we catch that birthday fish for you guys. Stay tuned and let's see what we catch. So I'm fishing with the new PC Fun LumaCat rod. It's a 7-foot rod, and paired with the PC Fun Chaos XS50, and this is the new model and this is the old model here. So we're going to try both of them out, and we're going to go ahead and use slider sinker rigs. So that's my sinker, swivel, 2 feet leader to a hook, and we are fishing with anchovies. So like I said, we're using anchovies. I have not bait fished in a while, so this is the first bag of anchovies in like years. So this is how I'm hooking them. I don't have any magic thread or anything like that. Just make sure it goes in just a little bit. So I'm cutting half an anchovy. Well, I'm using half an anchovy for each of them. So this is the old PC Fun Chaos XS. Let's go ahead and cast it out. Here we go. Man, this thing could cast a mile. So I got my rod holder set up over here. Ooh, scary. Let's see. Let me go ahead and change them up. Let me put this one over here. And put this one right here. Like this. Alright, we're all set. I'll just wait for the bite to come, and we're just gonna relax. So this is our current situation right now. Just sitting here, relaxing, waiting for the bite. It's a beautiful day, a little bit overcast. Gonna be low 80s today. So hopefully we catch a fish today. Alright, so it's been about 20 minutes. We haven't got a bite. So I'm gonna reel it in. Reel feels really smooth. So let me go ahead and recast this out. I don't want it to go too far this time. That's a lot better. Alright guys, I think we're getting bit now. Yeah, I definitely saw that rod bend. You know what, I think I hooked some like, seaweed. Got me all excited. Yeah, I just caught a whole bunch of seaweed, that's all it was. A few hours in and we still have not got a bite. So we're still fishing with the anchovies. And the weather has changed quite a bit. It's super overcast, super windy. Hopefully the bite will pick up as soon as it gets darker. So this is actually the second spot. We were at the other spot for a while, didn't get a single bite. We kept on moving up, up, and up. But this is a whole different spot. Let's see how we do. Oh, get a bite. We got a bite, guys. Finally got a bite. We got a bite, guys, finally. We're here for like 10 minutes. Yes, no skunk for us today. I know it's short, but can you hold that side real quick? So from tail, that's 17 and a half. So that's not bad, almost 18, but we'll go ahead and let it go. All right, so not a little bad striper, it ain't skunk on our birthdays. Catch and release. All right, so we got one on the board. Let's see if we can catch another one. So yeah, we barely got to this spot, and within 10 minutes we already got a bite and one fish. Not sure you guys can see, but my LED light is lit up on that pool versus it not being lit up. So that's a good indicator if you want to fish at night with that rod. It's the PC Fun Luma Cat rod. All right, so since that one bite and fish that we caught, we haven't caught anything else, so we're gonna call it quits. Super windy, and it's basically sunset at the moment, so we're gonna go ahead and take off. Okay guys, unfortunately we only got that one fish. We had one bite, one fish. Unfortunately, that's all we could produce today. It was a tough bite. Yeah, it was a tough bite. Super windy outside. Yeah, hopefully we do better the next time out. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.